How to remove Made with AI label on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To remove Made with AI label on Instagram, open Instagram. To remove AI tag from your Instagram post, you have to make the simple change while creating a post. So let me show by creating a post. So to create a post, simply click on this plus icon located on bottom middle of your screen. Now select any photo or video that you want to upload. Here I'll be selecting this one. Now make all the necessary changes like editing a photo, adding music or anything else, and then simply click on next. Again, add caption to your photo and make all the necessary changes. So after finalizing your post, scroll down to bottom. Here on the bottom of your screen, you will be able to see this option, label as made with AI. So if this label is turned on, your post will be marked as made with AI. So simply turn it off. After turning it off, you can simply upload your post without worrying about AI tag. This is how you remove Made with AI label from your Instagram post. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.